Hey y'all, welcome to At Home with Chef Jolie. Now, if you are true to this and you ain't new to this, well, welcome back. Today, it's a very special day because it's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. And you know why else it's a special day? Because it's my 1-year anniversary on YouTube. So I got a special meal for you all. We are gonna do a whole fried snapper inspired by my trip to the Bahamas, and we gotta have a cocktail to celebrate. Let's have a hibiscus margarita to go along with that snapper. So I don't wanna hold y'all too long, so let's go on over to the bar and let's shake up this hibiscus margarita. Come on y'all, let's go. It's my birthday. Come on, let's go.
Tell me now, are you hungry? Looking for something for your tummy. Well, look no further. This chef is got you covered. Cooking at home with Chef Jolie.
Okay, y'all, let's get into this hibiscus margarita. So we did a hibiscus mule a couple episodes ago, and I told y'all back then that hibiscus is so popular in the Caribbean. They call it sorrel as well. Hope I pronounced that right. Comment down below, let me know. Did I pronounce it right? What I have in this shaker, I have 2 ounces of Anejo vodka. I have some orange flavored cognac liqueur, and I'm gonna add some lime juice as well. But back to this hibiscus. It's so good for y'all. So good for you, y'all. That's what I'm trying to say. It can help prevent diabetes, high blood pressure, improve liver function. I mean, the list goes on and on and on and on. So basically, get you some hibiscus. It is very popular in the Caribbean, which is why I decided to have it today, because you need to go watch the vlog of my Bahamas trip. And you know, that's why we're doing the snapper and putting this hibiscus margarita with the snapper. Check this out, y'all. I've showed this to y'all once before, but this is a hibiscus flower. Kind of matches my dress, right? I'm gonna drop it down into my margarita glass, and then I'm gonna go into the shaker with an ounce of hibiscus syrup. Now, you can make this syrup or you can purchase it. I got this off of Amazon, but hibiscus is a flower that is native to India, but it's grown all over the place. And during the holidays and celebrations like Christmas time, in most Caribbean households, you're gonna find some hibiscus drinks, punch, wine, all that stuff. So just with a little nod to Texas, I decided to do a margarita with it. So I'm gonna shake it up, then we're gonna drink it up. What I have on my rim here is some sugar. I'm a sugar girl when it comes to my margaritas. I never understood the salt thing, so. But here's what I'm gonna ask you to do, because y'all know it's my birthday, and you know it's my 1-year YouTube anniversary. I'm gonna ask you to subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and subscribe. Y'all been watching these videos. I see y'all watching and not subscribing. That's my birthday shake. Subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and make sure you like my videos, share them, and comment too. So we should have this really beautiful color, just like that. Ooh, now it's time for quality control. Let's taste it and let's see what we got going on here. I really wish y'all could taste this. It's tart, it's a little sweet. The hibiscus itself has a little bit of tartness to it, but with the lime and the orange liqueur, and a little bit of this sugar that's down in the bottom. And you can buy these too at your local liquor store. These are hibiscus flowers in syrup. It's the perfect match. It's the perfect birthday cocktail for me. So at this point, it's time to cook. So I'm gonna say cheers to you. Make sure you try this recipe, and let's go over and fry this whole snapper. Come on, y'all, let's go. Okay, y'all. Don't be intimidated by the snapper. It is not as hard as you may think. So here's what I have here. I have 2 snappers, and this one is about, let me see, maybe about 1.5 pounds. So the hardest part about the snapper is after you find them is getting them clean. So go to your seafood department and they will clean them for you. They scaled it and they gutted it. So once that happens, you come home and then you score it. See what I have here? I've already scored both sides. That's gonna help with the flavor and marinating and what have you. And you can marinate them at least 30 minutes, but 2 to 3 hours is best for your snapper. Then the other thing you wanna do is the fins were much taller, if you can see that, but I went through with some kitchen shears and I trimmed them because they can be very sharp. So I trimmed all the fins and I trimmed the tail down. So that's all I did. And here's my seasoning blend. I have some DabA, I have some dried thyme. Let me watch out here. My oil is infusing here. That's what's going on. I have some thyme, some red onion, and some garlic to have some flavor in the oil. But back to the seasoning. DabA, I got some curry, some thyme. I have a little bit of chicken bouillon in there as well. So I told y'all, watch my vlog from the Bahamas trip. I think we probably ate our weight in whole fried snapper. When you go to the Bahamas, make sure to go to the fish fry area. Child, we were eating fried fish every day. So now that I have my snapper here, I gotta get in my track stance just in case I gotta take off once I drop this in here. So you wanna go with the head first. And just kind of lay him in there. His name is Clifford. That's what I named him. Y'all remember Clifford, the big red dog? This is Clifford, the big red snapper. And that's it. You have to make sure that your oil is hot enough, but not too hot, because if it is under temperature, then you won't get that crispness that you're looking for. And that's what you're looking for, child, when you make snapper. You want that moist fish on the inside, but that crunch on the outside. So make sure your oil is between 350, 375. And then I am, depending upon the size, this one, I'm gonna fry it on each side for about 4 to 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna flip it. You probably need a spatula and tongs to flip it over. So that's what we're about to do. This is simple. Hardest part is finding whole snapper where you live, and then just let them clean it, okay? So I'm about to finish my drink. You see it's already halfway done because it's my birthday after all. After all, I gotta celebrate, right? Gonna let this fry. We're gonna come back. I'm gonna plate it up because I have this African pepper sauce that I made. Y'all gonna want that recipe too, so stay tuned. We'll be back with the finished snapper. All right, y'all. Wasn't that quick? That was so fast. And look at it. Can you see how beautiful? And I just have some colorful peppers and onions, a little bit of lime for my garnish. You put this on the table in front of your friends and your family, they are going to be amazed, and it wasn't that hard. Now, to top it all off, I have this, it's inspired by a Ghanaian pepper sauce. It's called Shito. So y'all comment down below, let me know if I'm pronouncing that right too. But that sauce has peppers, habaneros, and garlic and ginger. So I did kind of a version of that with red peppers, habaneros, garlic, ginger. I threw a little cilantro in there. So let me know down below if you want this recipe too, because it goes good on chicken, fish, rice, all of that stuff. Speaking of rice, perfect accompaniment with this fried snapper. So let me stop talking so I can taste it. Here we go. And it's so moist. Can y'all see the steam coming off of that? Ooh, I almost lost it. Let me just use my hands, honey. Put the fork down. And I'm gonna go right into this pepper sauce. Let's see. Can you hear the crunch? Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. This is I want to say it's better than what I had in the Bahamas, because I put my own little spin on it. OMG, whole fried snapper. Let's demystify all of the fear of frying a whole fish with the head and the tail on it. It's not that hard. I'm gonna have the recipe down below in the bottom so you can do it yourself for your friends and your family. And I appreciate y'all so much. I want you to let me know down in the comments if you've been with me since day one, since September 22nd of 2021. Have you seen all the episodes? If not, go back, binge all the episodes, get all the recipes. Thank y'all so much for spending my birthday with me. I appreciate it so much. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification, comment, share my videos, and we will see you next time on At Home with Chef Jolie, when we're cooking up something amazing that you can cook at home too for your friends and your family and your boo. We'll see y'all next time.
Tell me now, are you hungry? Looking for something for your tummy?